I'll be reading, just you go through on your course books, right? So theme 4, like our universe, week 2 ICT. First second is week 2 is pivot animator, how to create a stick figure. So click on file and select create figure type. Click on options and select edit. This will allow
Ma'am,
you to
today we
stretch
will
each part.
practical.
Wait, let me read the course book once. Controls for creating stick figures. Adds a circle segment to the figure type. Adds a line segment to the figure type. Toggles the selected segment between aligned and circle. Toggles the selected segment between three types of circle. These are solid, wired, clear, and solid. Same color as the figure. Duplicates the selected segment. Increases or decreases the line thickness of the selected segment by 1 pixel. Holding down the control key while clicking changes the thickness by 5 pixels. Makes the selected segment static or dynamic. Sets the end point of the selected segment as a main handle. Splits the selected segment into two segments by adding a new joint at the segment center. Deletes the selected segment. If the segment has other segments attached to it, then those segments will drop down to the pivot point of the deleted segments. Keyboard shortcut keys. C adds a circle, L adds a line, K changes segment kind, F changes circle fill, D duplicates, S removes or restores handle, O sets origin joint, insert keys splits segment, delete key deletes segment, up down arrow keys to change segment thickness. Frame. A frame is an individual picture in the sequence of images. Positioning figures. A stick figure consists of segments connected by pivoting joints. Click and drag the red handle at the end of each segment with the mouse cursor to rotate it around its pivot. Click and drag the orange origin handle to move the whole figure. Figures can be positioned accurately by using the arrow keys to move the selected figure by 1 pixel. Creating animation. An animation can be created by creating a series of frames where each frame differs slightly from the previous frame. Adding frames. Click on the button Add Frames to add a frame to the timeline. Usually the frame is added after slightly moving and editing the stick figures from the previous positions. Timeline. The timeline tray displays all the frames in the animation at the top of the main window. The scroll bar below the frames can be used to view any part of the animation. If the number of frames exceed the timeline, at the extreme left, the timeline frames show the number of frames being edited or added and the repeated number. The frames can be repeated while playing by entering the value in the repeat box. Editing frames. To edit a frame in the timeline, click on the frame. The main editing area will then show the edited frame. Once you have finished editing the frame, the changes can be stored by clicking the add frame button or by selecting another frame in the timeline to edit. The three edit buttons that help in editing are delete selected frame, which click on the delete button to delete all the selected frames. Copy selected frames. Click on the copy button to copy the selected frames, which then can be pasted anywhere on the timeline. Paste copied frames. Click on the paste button to paste the copied frames to the animation. Playing an animation. After adding frames to the timeline, the animation can be played by clicking the play button in the player control. Stop the animation by clicking the stop button. Play the animation from the beginning or from the frame being edited. Stop playing the animation and return to the current frame being edited. Loop the animation while playing so that it starts playing from the beginning when it reaches the end. Set the playing speed of the animation. The value below the scroll bar shows the frame rate in frames per second. Adding background, click on File menu and select Load Background option. A background image will be loaded. Saving the animations, File option and select Save, it will be saved. Default file format is pivot file, which means that you can load and edit your animations at another time. Select Export Animation if you want to save the image as an animated GIF file for the web page or an AVI video file. Opening an animation. Okay. So this is a procedure how to create. Now I will show you practically what's going on. Okay. Ashish, stop chatting in the chat box. All nonsense. Yes, Nana, this is a yes. Look here, everyone. This is a pivot animator. Yeah. Now there are no frames here, right? So suppose I'll make this is only the first frame without any changes. So this is the first frame. Now next, Sanvi and Pranav, what you're doing? Sanvi, what you're doing?
Nothing, ma'am.
And Pranav, what you're writing that much busy?
Nothing.
Have you all downloaded this pivot animator?
Ma'am, it is not downloading.
So how you will do?
Mm.
Okay. Now,
And tabs or phones, it will come. In tabs or phones,
mm,
it will come pivot animator.
where?
In tabs or phones,
Tab, tab. Try it. I'm not sure, ma. Try
okay.
it. So background, I think I have to get it. 1 second. I'll upload a background. Hmm. What you are seeing on the screen? Yes, ma. I have changed the background. Did you see everyone?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes.
everyone. I have changed the background now, and this is my. Okay, I will delete this. Now I will this frame I will add with the background. Okay. Now a slight change in the position of the figure. That okay, and these segments I can change. These are called pivot. What are they called? This thing, pivot positions. And this orange one is called origin handle. So with this, we can just move the image. Now I would like to do this. This one I will add to the frame, this position, right? 1 second. I will change here. One more. This one I will add. So like this, you can change anything of your choice. So how many frames I have added? 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So like this much here frame, 7 frames are there. Means, okay, total 6 are there. Now, if I would like to copy selected frame, this one I can copy and I can paste here. Now paste it. Now if you want to see the animation, what you have to do, go to play, like timings I will change. Yeah, now play. It's very fast, right? Stop. I'd like to change. How to change speed? It is more we can change. I'll try to play this. Is there any change in the speed? Now you can see it's somewhat slow, right? So here I have reduced the speed. I'll stop and make it still. So this is the least. Okay, 6.7 is the least. Below that it's not there. So that much speed is enough. Now from the beginning, I'll play it. Nice. So if you don't want any one of the frames, you can delete also. You can select it and delete. Right click, you can delete it. That is your wish. Okay, stop. Now I have stopped. Is it clear, everyone? Yes. And where are these? What are these called? 1, 2, 3. These are called frames, right? And where the frames are placed, what is that called? Sanvi? Yes, Sanvi. Where are the frames placed? What is that called, Sanvi? Frames are placed on timeline. So this rectangular bar you can see here to here. This is called timeline. What is timeline? Where the frames are added. Frame is nothing but one single figure, right? So total how many are there here? 6 are there. 6 frames. So each figure is nothing but a we call it as a frame. Okay, and all the frames are located on the timeline. Timeline shows the all the frames at the top of the main window. Is it clear now, everyone? Now how to save this? Go to file, save animation. Now the name I would like to give is what grade 4 I'll give. Okay, pivot file dot .piv automatically it will save. So if I save this, it's saved. If again open means I have to see here. Grade 4 it is already available here. Okay, it will open your animation. Right, now we'll see what are the This is one more already available. You can see here. This is already available, ma. In this, I am doing that. One more I'll take. Tower, it seems. 244 frames are there in this. 244 frames. Let us see what it is. See, Bahubali. Over, I think. Right? Now one more. What is that? Tumble. What is this tumble? Play. Like, right? Now one more I'll choose. This is dominoes. Like this you can create not only, I mean, add figure is there, right? So you can create your own stick figures. This is walking. The speed is little bit fast. We can reduce, I mean, change the speed, no problem. Stop. Yes, ma. What's the problem? Indivar? Yeah, Indivar, tell me. Indivar. Yes, ma, Sanvi. Sanvi,
Ma'am,
tell me.
which software? .NET software, this one?
No, madam, it's pivot animator direct. You can,
Not
you're not getting it.
in my laptop, ma'am.
Okay, what did you type there?
It's first hypertext link, 404 error.
No, no, actually, how are you downloading it, ma'am? What did you type in the Google? I'm asking.
http.pivotanimator.net, download the PHP app. Please
Okay,
run,
yeah,
ma'am.
through coursebook you are doing the same thing you have typed.
Yes, ma'am.
So what it is asking? What it is saying?
Error.
It's showing error. So you can go directly to the Google. Instead of
Okay.
that typing that link, go to Google, type download the pivot animator. Download pivot animator.
Which version, ma'am? Fourth version or 2.2?
I think it is 4 only, madam. Pivot.
Oh, okay. Done. Ma'am, see once.
Yeah, that only, madam. Click download.
Okay, wait. 1, 10, 1, 4, 5, 9. See, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, what is it asking, madam?
Do you want to allow the following program to make changes to this computer?
Okay, no problem. Do it. Okay. Okay, click OK. It's not coming.
Not coming. This to run this application, you must install one of the following version of the .NET framework. So
Also,
that
yeah, I think your laptop is not supporting. It's laptop only, right?
yes, ma'am.
So first of all, you need to download the .NET frames. Then you can download the Pivot Animated. So that requires that software also.
Yeah.
So any
Thank you.
other, you'll do it, ma'am? Okay. Right, Shritan, yes, what is your doubt, Shritan?
Ma'am, how to delete a figure, ma'am?
How to?
Delete a figure.
Click on that, right click,
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
then click delete.
Okay, ma'am.
You're trying it, Sanvi? Ashish? Don't download it, your laptop will spoil. Who is that? Ashish, why are you keeping that messages, Ashish? Where are you? Let me talk to you. Yeah, someone you share your screen. Yeah, okay. Someone you do it by yourself or any other this thing. Okay, someone you. Yes, ma, someone you.
Okay, ma'am, I'll do by myself. I did
Yeah.
one by myself, ma'am.
Show me.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute. I have to delete on this thing.
Hmm.
Projects. And this is what I created.
Play it.
Yes, ma'am.
How
Okay,
many
ma'am.
how many frames you have added?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 13 frames, ma'am.
So play the animation. Okay.
13 frames. Yeah.
Very good.
Hmm.
But just reduce the speed so that it will be more clear.
Ma'am, this is used for reducing speed, ma'am.
Here loop is there. Here play, stop, and down loop is there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
There you can see the numbers. How much speed you kept there now? Right now?
19.2 frame rate.
Then reduce it to 6. Come down. Least is 6.7. I think. Come to least.
Okay, 6.7.
Yeah. The starting speed is 6.7. Yeah. See now it is more clear.
Okay, ma'am.
As the speed reduces, your animation will be more clear.
Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Good. Very good. You can share me
Okay,
the
ma'am,
video.
I'll share.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am, I'll take video on my mother's phone and I'll send it.
Right. Okay, ma'am.
Mm.
And ma, still anybody any doubts, ma, everyone? So now all explanation part is completed. So all now we have to do is only see your page number. The page numbers are not given. You can just write the page numbers, ma, from the beginning. This is 1, 2, 3. Sanvi, you got?
Yeah, nice.
No, not coming. You can unmute, ma.
So
Have